Dear children, this is Mentors English Express and I'm Sudha Oberoi. In my formal letter writing videos, part 1 and part 2, I had explained the students of classes 10th and 11th how to write letters making inquiries and placing orders. In this formal letter writing part 3, I am going to explain the students how to write letters making complaints. Watch the complete video and become confident in writing letters. In the series of business official letters, let us understand how to write letters of complaint. Children, we purchase products, gadgets, etc. from the market, but sometimes we all have experienced that the piece we have bought is defective or the service provided by various agencies may not be up to the mark. There may be complaint against manufacturers because the product purchased may not function well. So, we write letters of complaint expressing our dissatisfaction. Here are certain points that you should keep in mind while writing a complaint. You must mention the nature of complaint. Now, whatever gadget you have bought, whatever is a defect, you should clearly mention in your complaint. For this, you must give previous reference. Now, while writing this complaint letter, you must give reference of your order number so that he will look into the order number and confirm that the product was delivered from his shop only. Your complaint should be polite but assertive. So you must request complaint in a polite and assertive manner to be readdressed. Your word limit is 120 words. Let us understand it with the help of an example. Sudhir Chopra of 142 Greater Kailash, Delhi bought a frost-free LG refrigerator of 265 liters from Global Electronics, Delhi 2 months ago. Having used it for 2 months, he finds that the freezing section of the refrigerator is not working at all. Write the letter to the sales manager of the firm complaining about it and requesting for the piece to be replaced. The refrigerator has been given 2-year warranty against any technical fault. Now in this question, all the details of the frost-free refrigerator which he bought has been given and one defect is also given. You can add one more or maybe 2 more defects from your side also, including this one. So we begin with sender's address. Here the sender is 142 Greater Kailash, Delhi. Then date is written and after leaving a line, the address of the receiver, that is sales manager, is given. Then salutation is there and then subject is there. Subject is complaint about defective refrigerator. Now you have to give complete details of the refrigerator which you bought. We purchased a frost-free refrigerator 265 liters from your showroom wide order number SL120 2 months ago. So you must give your order number in this, which is imaginary. Wide, see the spelling of wide, it is not WIDE, it is VIDE, wide order number SL120 2 months ago. It worked perfectly alright for 1.5 months, but since last few days it has started giving troubles. Its freezing section is not at all working. Besides, it gives out a loud whirring sound while taking a start. So one defect was given there, one you have included from your side, that is it gives loud whirring sound while taking a start. The refrigerator is under 2-year warranty period. Kindly send an expert electrician to rectify the fault and if the fault is irreparable, replace it with a new one. We expect a swift action on your part. And then you have to put your signature. So all the details are there, defect is there, a request is there. You have even said that it is in the warranty period. So it must be repaired and if it is irreparable, it must be replaced. Here is another example. You are Tarun Tina, Administrative Head, Hotel Clerk, Lucknow. You received a bulk order of furniture that you placed 1 month ago from Messrs. Lavish Furniture Mart. A few goods received were defective and of low quality. Write a letter of complaint to Messrs. Lavish Furniture Mart, Lucknow, asking for immediate replacement. Here, the sender is Hotel Clark. His address is given on top, leaving a line, date is written, then the receiver's address is written. Receiver is Messrs. Lavish Furniture Mart. Then salutation is given and then subject is given. Your subject is complaint against damaged furniture. Now you have to mention complete detail of your order. We have purchased bulk furniture for our hotel from your shop, the consignment of which was received last week, wide order number SL153. However, we regret to inform you that many of the goods were found to be damaged or broken. So in the first paragraph, you have mentioned the consignment which you received last week, wide order number. Once again, see the spelling of wide, it is VIDE, and then order number is also mentioned, and you have written that you found the goods to be damaged. Now you have to specify what damage was done during transportation. It seems that the goods were not packed carefully, resulting in damage of the varnish of some of the sofa sets. The legs of 5 chairs are broken and the glass top of 4 tables have cracks. Now in this paragraph you have specified the damage, and your damage is that varnish of sofa sets has come out and legs of 5 chairs are broken and 4 tabletops have got cracks. We request you to replace the damaged goods as soon as possible as it is affecting our business. The complete payment will be made only after receiving the delivery of the new consignment to satisfaction. Now you have to mention here that you will do the payment only when you receive the new consignment, fresh consignment to satisfaction. Hope to get a quick response from you. Then you have to put your signature. So children, I think letters of complaints are also clear to you. Here are 2 questions for you to practice. You must practice them to become confident. Now I think you will be able to write letters of inquiry, making orders, and letters of complaint confidently, and I hope that you will get full marks when you follow all these steps faithfully. You can download the PDF containing answers from my Facebook page, the link of which is given in the description box below. Children, if you have enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe it. You can also post your comments in the comments box below. Thank you.